Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm CryptoMina. Thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you are doing well. Today, I want to compare Bitcoin with other assets. And the reason why I want to compare Bitcoin with other assets is because a lot of people believe that Bitcoin is not a good store of value. Because right now, Bitcoin is half of what it was at its all-time high. But we forget that Bitcoin is right now 3x of what it was a year ago. Anyhow, I'm going to show you a chart, and this chart is between Bitcoin, gold, and S&P 500. The graph in orange shows Bitcoin, and the blue shows S&P 500, and in gold you will see gold. This is the performance since the halving. As you see, Bitcoin is in the orange is doing significantly better than any other asset, which is gold, traditionally considered a store of value, or any other investment like S&P 500. Bitcoin since halving have done 271%, almost 3x. S&P 500 on the other hand is the second one. It has done almost 50% since the halving. And gold on the other hand, which is usually considered the best store of value, has done only 6.2. Now I want to show you another chart. This is Bitcoin Treasury Index. And I want to show you the performance of Bitcoin versus its Bitcoin Treasury Index. So in orange, again, we have the price of Bitcoin. Red here, we have the index performance. And in dark blue, we have S&P 500. And in light blue, we have NASDAQ. Now, since the halving, if we look at the Bitcoin Treasury Index has done 873%. So it has done tremendously good. Followed by Bitcoin, as I mentioned, it has done 276% from halving till now. NASDAQ is the third, and it has done 60%. S&P is 50%, as I mentioned. Now, if you're wondering what is the Bitcoin Treasury Index made up of, it is made up of several other things. But the majority of it is MicroStrategy shares, and it is more than 60%, followed by Tesla, Square, and then other. It even have Coinbase in here. But the performance of the Bitcoin Treasury Index is almost 900%. Now, I also want to show you the adoption chart. This chart was posted by Willy Woo on Twitter, and what he is saying that Bitcoin is moving very fast towards the adoption. Roughly, we have the same number of users the internet had in 1997. So in 1997, he got his data that shows we had 120 million internet users. And here in right now, somewhere around the mid of the year 2021, we have already reached that level. We have 135 million Bitcoin users. And he believes in next 4 years, by 2025, we will have the growth that will be equivalent to the growth we saw in 2005 with the internet user. And at that time, we will have 1 billion users. So 1 billion Bitcoin user. And as you remember, Bitcoin supply is fixed. It's only going to be 21 million Bitcoin in the supply. And that's the max supply. We already know a few million of the coins are already lost, or they are locked up in Satoshi's wallet and seem like they're not going to be moved anytime soon. Now I want to leave you with a clip from Bitcoin conference where Elon Musk is telling that he's holding Bitcoin. Watch this clip and let me know, what do you think?
Like I said, the three things I own outside of SpaceX and Tesla, and obviously it's a Neuralink and Boring Company, but of any significance are Bitcoin by far, and then some Ethereum and some Doge. So you know, if the price of Bitcoin goes down, I lose money. I'm not sort of, I might pump, but I don't dump. It's not a case of, I definitely do not believe in getting the price high and selling or anything like that. And I would like to see Bitcoin succeed. I think there's some merit to, this is not a slam on Bitcoin, there's some merit to considering something that has higher max transaction rates, and a lower transaction cost, and kind of seeing how far you could take a single layer network where the exchanges act as a de facto.
And there you have it. You heard Elon Musk talking about he holds a good majority of Bitcoin compared to any other cryptocurrency, even though he holds Ethereum and Doge as well, but he holds Bitcoin significantly more. And since he's holding Bitcoin, he doesn't want anything bad to happen to his investment. So what do you think about it? Isn't this a bullish news for cryptocurrency holders, especially Bitcoin? If you're holding Bitcoin, let me know in the comment section. I will see you soon. Happy investing.